Hi. Are you ready to try some zucchini for the first time? I don't think you should be too excited. I don't know if you're going to like it. Yeah? Okay, here we go. Hello, Aiden. Open. Wow, you like opening wide, huh? Zucchini. You can just take new foods in stride, don't you? Not so sure now, huh? Do you like your bib better? No. Zucchini. Zucchini. You have to take your bib out of your mouth. There you go. Mommy's playing with you, sorry. Oh. I'm sorry. Okay, here you go. Mommy shouldn't teach you to play with your food. Finish it now.